up, you guys? It's your girl Tech with Nat, and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop! If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free, period. And today, you guys, is gonna be a story time. It's gonna be funny to y'all, but emotional as to me, okay? But so far, you guys, if you didn't know already, my ebook is now out. I'll leave a picture right here for you, and I've been getting a lot of good reviews so far, and I'm like, whoa, I didn't expect that. But thank you guys so much for purchasing so far, and if you haven't purchased it yet, make sure to stick around for our promo code at the end of this video to help you save some money, girl, okay, or bro. But today, you guys, we are gonna be talking about the biggest mistake I have ever made in my phone case business that cost your girl a lot of money, okay? But before we get in that, make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button as well. But anyway, let's get into this story time. It's gonna be so emotional, y'all, because this story is like, this story had your girl like this story time is about the time that I can't even say it. It's literally about the time, y'all, that I almost got into some legal trouble because of my phone case. Okay? Long story short, let's just say this. I'm telling this story because I see a lot of people still like selling these type of cases, and I'm always like kind of iffy too. Like, especially when clients come to me, I'm like, girl, I need help with my phone case business, and they're selling these, you know, y'all fill in the words, but these word and then inspired phone cases. I'm like, I really can't help you because, you know, speaking from experience, I don't want to help you go down that road, you know. But let's just say I was allegedly selling these word inspired phone cases, and I got like really popular. Like, my ish blew up on Pinterest. Like, literally every time you search this company name and you put phone case at the end of it, my website will pop up, and I'm like, oh sure, this is great, because we better be making some money, honey, you know. So as you know, like, the workaround for like selling cases like that, usually people put like inspired at the end of it. So like, they think that you really can't get in trouble for that. Yes, you can get in trouble. Yes, you can't get in trouble for using quote inspired at the end of it, because it's not actually the actual thing, but you kind of get in trouble for using their designs. So if your design is trademarked, so let's say here, I have this case right here. Let's say I trademark or copyright this design right here, and I see you go use it on your phone case, and you said this is, I don't know, Taylor Tech Shop inspired phone case, but it's literally my same design that I have trademark or design, I'm gonna have to come after you, because that's still my design, and that's still my you know, my work that I created, you know. So, you know, when you put it in text like that, you're like, oh, like, now that makes sense, okay? But you'll be like, oh, I'll never do that to you because you're just a little company, you know. You know I'll come after you immediately. But you have to do that same thing with bigger companies too, you guys, because they're watching us out here. Like, you think they can't see us, but they're seeing us. Let me tell you, they're seeing us. So anyway, like I said, I got famous on Pinterest with that specific word inspired phone case that was a trademark design. So that trademark design, even though I call that phone case another name, that trademark design will still belong to that bigger company. So when I was out one day, and I came home minding my business, and then I got one of those envelopes from the mailing company. So when I opened it, I saw the company name, and I was like, I know you guys are not like slow, like, you guys probably know like what am I talking about, which company I'm talking about. I legally can't say the company, but just think of that bougie dash inspired phone case, and think of bougie companies, and yeah, put 2 and 2 together here, okay? Don't be commenting no H, because I'm gonna delete your comments. But yeah, I literally saw the bougie company name, and I'm like, I already know what this is. I already know what this is. So literally my heart dropped to my stomach, and I'm like, so when I open it up now, I open up the thing, and it's a letter basically stating, I don't know if you guys know what a cease and desist cease and desist. That's how you say a cease and desist letter is. But basically, so when you can, so this is for you as well. So I'm not a lawyer, or this is not legal advice, but when you see someone else that is stealing your copyrighted or trademark designs, basically what you do is you send them a letter. If you don't want to sue them right away, you send them a letter and you let them know, like, hey, I see you using my designs. I'm not gonna press charges at this moment, but I need you to stop all manufacturing and all sales from my design. Okay, and I need to reply to this letter. I need to sign a contract and everything, so that you letting me know that you wouldn't sell like my stuff anymore. And the that person, they can either reply to that letter or they can ignore it. They have like no legal obligation to reply to letter. But if they ignore it, usually the person comes back and say, I can come back and say, hey, I see you still selling my designs. Now we're going to court. So getting back to my story now. So I received one of these letters. I'm literally, my heart, y'all, is like, oh my gosh, like how they find me, like literally how they find me with this ish. So I'm like freaking out. I'm like, they're deleting everything, y'all, everything off of my Instagram, my Facebook. Y'all, they were stalking me, okay? They had like ish from my Instagram, my Facebook, my website, my Pinterest, literally everything. They were stalking me. I'm like, okay, I don't even know how to respond to this. So I literally, y'all, I had to hire a lawyer. I was like, I'm hiring a lawyer because I don't know how to deal with this and I can't breathe at the moment. And I'm here thinking like, girl, I know what y'all thinking. You're like, girl, you're too pretty to go to jail. And I'm like, I know, I'm way too pretty to go to jail. So literally I was like yeah, so I had to hire this lawyer. Of course it was like well, let me not even say that. I had to hire this lawyer, and to speak to the lawyer it was like $500. I'm like, to speak to you I have to pay $500? I'm like, okay, but whatever. So I paid the $500, and that's why, you guys, well, let me not say I paid the $500. Taylor Tech Shop LLC paid that $500, okay? And that's why it's important, you guys, not to touch your business money for personal things, okay? Your business money is business money, okay? And personal money is personal money. They're two separate things. So you shouldn't be going Walmart and buying groceries with your business money. No. Okay, if you can afford to not support yourself for your business money, I definitely recommend leaving your business money to do business things, okay? So yeah, I literally had to pay this lawyer $500 and just to talk to her. That was just a consultation, and I told her the problem, and she was like, oh girl, you can just reply to them and let them know, like, yeah, you'll stop selling this and this and this. And I'm like, can you do it for me? Because literally I don't know how to reply to that. I don't want to say anything bad or whatever. So my lawyer, she ended up replying to them for me and taking care of all the communication on their side and my side as well. And I'm really thankful that I went and got a lawyer and not doing it myself, because I was such in a frantic mood. I wasn't really even thinking straight. So she ended up taking care of everything for me. And y'all, by the end of the day, you know, sis she got some bang from me. Sis got some, it might have been like slight work for her, but she got some bang from me. I started to like think to myself, like, why did I become a lawyer, like, seriously? But anyway, yeah, so at the end of the, I can't really tell like what really happened at the end and like what the agreement was, but basically I just agreed to like stop selling the ish. And that is when my whole rebrand came along. And that's when, you know, I don't know if y'all believe in God, but that's when I say like God works in mysterious ways, because after that, because that at that time that was the only thing really allegedly selling for me. So that's when that whole rebrand came along, you know, with me tapping into like who really is Taylor Tech Shop, who is my brand is, and who I want to, what I want the business to be about. So that's when I tap into that. I was like a blessing in disguise, because it kind of knocked me. And when I really think of it, when I started to create my own designs for my phone case business, I started to think like, you know, wait, what if someone was out here, you know, really copying my designs and like selling them and saying like, hey, this is Taylor Tech Shop inspired designs? And I would have been pissed too, you know. I know I've been sending out letters too. So Yeah, that was my 20,000. It wasn't 20,000, sorry. I think it was around, roughly around $3,000 to pay that lawyer. So that was my $3,000 biggest mistake. I just wanted to share it with you guys, especially with my people in my community. If you're wondering, that is a wink. I'm trying to wink at you guys, so you know if you know, if you don't know, you don't know, you know. So I wanted to share, especially with the people in my community, and let them know and say, like, you know, we out here, you know, making a little quick bank, but it might come back to bite us in the butt. So if you are really interested in, you know, starting a phone case business and making this phone case business not just a side hustle, but as make this your main goal and your key to financial freedom, I'll definitely recommend tapping into who your brand is, where you want your brand to go, and not piggyback off of someone else's designs. Okay, I'm talking, y'all better listen to me. And the people who bought my ebook already know this. Like, I went into depth on like why you shouldn't do this and all the things you need to do to protect your brand. Definitely, y'all better after, if you watch this video, if I find out you watch this video, sis or bro, and you still doing the do, I'm gonna come for you. But honestly, I am not a lawyer or legal advice, but yeah, it's a quick way to allegedly make money, but it's not really a correct way to do it, you know. So if you really believe in your brand, I'll definitely say it's okay, sis, leave those stuff behind, boom, and let's get to work, and let's put in the work, and make our own brand, you know, bougie. Okay, let's make our own bougie brand out here. Okay, so that is the end of my story time, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please be sure to cut my ebook right up here, and also my course is launching. Make sure you hit the link in the bio to sign up for notifications, boo. And I know y'all laughing after me, okay, but your sis almost peed her pants, okay, because I really thought I was gonna be in there with my jail braids, okay. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.